Beamer builds Knox. What is up, guys? We are here at Werk Haus today. They got some gorgeous projects going on. Get ready, y'all. We are about to be doing, oh, hold on. I think my lens is goofy gross. Hold on. Sorry, guys. There we go. We are doing the throttle body today. Continental throttle body. I will show you guys in just a minute. I just wanted to kind of peek around the parking lot a little bit. Ooh. That's gorgeous. I can't wait to hear this thing turn over when they get it back running again. But this is beautiful too. Great stuff, great stuff. All right, we got John over here working on a Subi. And let's go into the shop real quick and see what, oh, what's this? Uh-oh, is that a Continental throttle body? I think it is. Zach's over here working on a 528X drive today. Let's see what he's got going on. It's not live or anything, Zach. It's just a recording so I can do edits. So what are you working on today?
Injectors, plugs, AC compressor, O2 sensor.
Oh, man. It's the twin turbo?
Nah.
No?
In
Just the cover? Oh, okay. M20.
Four cylinder. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll let you get back to it. I've got a throttle body to do, so. All right, guys. And it looks like, what's John got up on the lift today? A wagon. John's the wagon man. If you guys have a wagon in Knoxville and you're not over here with John, I don't know what you got going on. But you need to get over here and see John. He's the man. I mean, this is an engine I was just talking to John about last week at the beginning of the weekend before we all kind of went home. And he just like yanked this thing and did a full engine swap on, was it a wagon, Zach?
Yeah, it's diesel.
It was a diesel wagon swap, guys. So John is the man. Come holler at John. All right, well, guys, we're getting ready to jump into this throttle body. I need to pull the car in, and I'll see you guys in a second. Hang tight. We got some dope content coming today.